Close your eyes and picture this. Your smart mirror reminds you to hydrate, your car books your appointments, and a digital version of you is giving a TED Talk while you're sipping tea at home. Sounds wild, right? But this isn't science fiction. It's the real world unfolding in 2025. From AI-powered homes to AI-powered fashion, we're diving into the craziest, most mind-bending AI trends changing the world right now. Whether you're in the USA, UK, Canada, Germany, Australia, or across Asia, these trends are shaping your life as we speak. So buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll realize the future isn't coming. It's already here. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly tech, marketing, and AI updates. You'll be light years ahead of everyone else. Let's start at home. Samsung's 2025 AI bespoke appliances have redefined what smart means. Your fridge now sees what's inside, senses what's expiring, and recommends dishes based on your dietary needs. Yes, it thinks like a nutritionist. LG's ThinQ platform has taken it even further, with AI kitchen assistants that sync with your health tracker and adjust meals to improve your blood pressure or energy levels. In Canada, AI-enhanced HVAC systems are reducing power bills by up to 40%, using machine learning to anticipate weather changes in real time. Meanwhile, in Japan and Germany, AI toilet systems are analyzing biomarkers to detect early signs of illness. That's right, your toilet might diagnose health issues before your doctor. These aren't concepts, they're real. And they're getting cheaper and smarter every month. Right finger. What would you trust more with your health? A doctor visit once a year or an AI that watches your vitals daily? Like content like this? Subscribe and stay one step ahead. Welcome to the runway, where models aren't human anymore. Levi's and H&M are launching campaigns with AI-generated fashion models. These digital beings never age or rest, and can represent any body type, skin tone, or emotion within seconds. Virtual influencers like Lil Miquela are now more trusted in the UK than human ones. Brands are shifting billions in advertising to CGI characters. This shift is about cost, speed, and control. AI models never have bad days or lawsuits, but there's a flip side. What happens to thousands of real models, photographers, and stylists? Are we replacing creativity with code? Let us know your thoughts. Is this progress or a digital dystopia? Amazon is no longer just an online store. It's becoming a full-fledged AI ecosystem. In the US, over 1,000 Amazon processes now run on AI. From inventory prediction to warehouse robotics, customer support, and even AI-powered drone delivery systems. Amazon's Alexa is evolving too, combining ChatGPT-like reasoning with voice to make smart decisions, not just play your music. CEO Andy Jassy said, "Companies that aren't using generative AI are already behind." The US is testing Amazon Clinic, a virtual health service that uses AI to deliver treatment options with human doctor oversight. You don't just buy from Amazon anymore. You're living in their AI universe. Like this breakdown? Subscribe for more inside tech scoops. Climate change is real, but so is climate tech, powered by AI. Enter John Todd's eco-machines. Artificial wetlands built with living organisms and smart sensors that cleanse rivers of toxins. Now, his team is developing the Fleet, massive, AI-guided solar ships that cruise oceans to clean plastic and heavy metals autonomously. These are AI guardians of the environment, using biology and machine learning together. In Australia, AI is also being used to detect wildfires faster, using satellite imagery and temperature predictions. What if AI didn't just destroy the planet, but saved it? From fashion runways to TikTok, vintage tech is the new flex. Designers in Berlin and Seoul are crafting jackets out of cassette tapes, heels from keyboard keys, and accessories from iPods and Game Boys. This isn't just art. It's a statement. As AI digitizes everything, creators are using retro tech to reclaim tactile, physical expression. But here's the twist. Some of these retro tech outfits have hidden sensors. They're part of wearable tech experiments tracking mood and movement, a fusion of old and new. Welcome to Nostalgia Meets Innovation. If you saw an ad today and thought, this feels like it was made just for me? It probably was. AI is now rewriting the rules of marketing. It tracks micro movements, reads facial expressions via webcams, yes, seriously, and customizes landing pages while you're scrolling. In Germany, brands are using AI emotion detectors to predict ad performance before campaigns even launch. And in India and the UK, AI-generated sales copy is converting at 3x the traditional rate. It's no longer about the best message. It's about the right message, to the right person, at the right moment. Quantum computing is the next frontier. Combine it with AI, and you get something game-changing. In the US and China, early versions of quantum AI are helping scientists solve molecular simulations, improve drug discovery, and test encryption that could withstand any cyber attack. Imagine solving calculations in 5 seconds that used to take 10,000 years. That's not a metaphor. That's happening. Quantum AI is the brain of the future. It doesn't just predict outcomes, it reshapes reality. You've heard of specialists, now meet the AI generalists. These are people who understand AI at a system level, not just coding, but ethics, UX, language, training data, and product market fit. In 2025, companies don't just want AI engineers, they want leaders who can think across disciplines. Germany, India, and Canada are seeing a massive uptick in cross-domain AI bootcamps, blending data science, creativity, and psychology. The winners of tomorrow? They're not just techie, they're strategic, curious, and flexible. Are you one of them? So here's the million-dollar question. Which of these AI trends blew your mind the most? Was it the AI homes predicting your health, the rise of quantum brains, or AI models dominating the fashion world? And let's flip the coin. Which trend scared you a little? Be honest. Are you worried about privacy? About losing your job? About AI outpacing our understanding? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We read every single one. Seriously. This channel isn't just a broadcast, it's a community. Your opinion might shape our next deep dive. The truth is, we're not just observers anymore. We're participants in a tech revolution. Every like, share, and subscribe is another signal to keep creating content that keeps you in the know, not left behind. And this is just the beginning. From generative design that builds entire products on a prompt, to neural commerce that sells based on what you're feeling, the future belongs to those who adapt, learn, and act fast. If you're in the US, Canada, UK, Germany, Australia, or anywhere in Asia, this matters to you. Your world is already changing, and AI is behind the curtain, pulling the strings. Want to stay ahead of the curve? Want to understand the future while others are still confused by it? Then here's the move. Subscribe right now. Hit that bell so you don't miss next week's episode. Because we're diving into something absolutely mind-blowing: AI in entertainment. Not just scripts and visuals, but how AI is building entire films, directing emotion, and even replacing human voice actors in Hollywood. It's wild, it's real, and it's gonna spark a whole new debate. We're talking about AI-generated actors, music powered by emotion detection, and virtual influencers who are becoming more relatable than real ones. And hey, if you made it this far in the video, you're clearly one of the curious ones, the thinkers, the explorers. So here's a question to leave you with. If AI can think, feel, and create like us, what makes us unique anymore? We'll be unpacking that in future videos. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and as always, we'll be back with more tech, AI, and marketing updates. Don't blink. The future's moving fast.